if you're the type of person that don't like when black girls wear a lot of bright colors, you know, purple lips, pink lips, the bright eye makeup and whatnot, just dip it. Just say nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, this is not a makeup tutorial. I was just practicing. Lately I've been practicing a lot of cut crease eye makeup because I suck at it, and I have very hooded eyelids, and I just love a cut crease. Like, I love them. They're so cute. I always watch tutorials on them, and I think I'm getting the hang of it. And if anybody wants to drag me on it, you can do so. Check for the flaws. Did you find anything even? Okay. So I've been practicing, and I've been talking about it on my Instagram stories, and persons have been asking me to do a tutorial. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on this look. If you really want me to do it, then I'll do it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did my nails. As you know, I always do my nails on my own. These nails are acrylic. They were some leftover acrylic that I had, so yeah, I was thinking, should I do a video or should I not? I was like, no, I shouldn't, because I have leftovers and whatnot. I didn't have enough, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do it on a nail, not on my hand, but I don't know how to explain it to y'all. Okay, so you will need black nail polish. This is 108 yen, which is like $1 or $2 US. A quick dry top coat, and a clear glitter nail polish. Clear glitter meaning the polish is clear, but there's glitter in it. You're gonna need a makeup applicator sponge like this one. Or if you aren't able to buy these, you can use tissues as well, but I will show you how you can do so. You're gonna need some nail glue, which is how you're gonna attach the nails, or if you use the tapes or whatnot. And these are the nails that I like to use. They cover my whole nail. They are not nail tips. They cover the whole nail. So I have a pack of white and a pack of clear, but I mostly like to use a clear because whatever color I put on my nails, I can see it under my nails. It's just what I choose. You're also going to need some tape, and you are going to need some bendy straw. It has to be bendy straws. So you need to tape the straw onto, you can tape it onto a book, you can tape it onto the table. This is a book holder that I'm using, and this is practically gonna act as a finger pretty much. So if you are thinking of going into the whole nail thing, like you want to work in the nail salon and whatnot, but you can't really afford to buy like a hand or anything like that, you can use this for practice. So I don't know how to explain this, but you pretty much want the both sides of the tape to be sticky, so you have to fold it like how I'm doing it and place it on the straw. So when it's on there, you need to get your nail and place it on the straw. If you try to do this with nail glue, it's going to be a lot more difficult, a whole lot difficult. So as you can see, you can move it around as you like any other. It's like you're doing someone's nails pretty much. So you need to apply a thin coat of black nail polish on the entire nail, and I say thin, I cannot exaggerate enough. The thicker you apply the nail polish is the longer it's gonna take for it to dry. So yeah, and I'm trying to be as careful with this as possible because my nail polish remover was upstairs, and this was like 4 or something in the morning, and I could not get up to go get it. I was just lazy, so yeah. So I pretty much only need 1 coat, so yeah, there's no need for 2 coats here. It's perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. The first one I'm going to use with the makeup applicator sponge, and then the next one I'm going to apply with the with the tissue. So So you're gonna get your glitter nail polish and your applicator, your makeup applicator sponge, and you're going to put a few coats on there. Don't put too much. It doesn't really matter how much you put on it anyways. Just put some of the nail polish on there, okay? And then you're gonna stamp it over the nails. So this makes sense because if you just went over it with the brush, you're gonna have a whole bunch of clear nail polish on your nails, and you're gonna try to make it thick, and you're gonna try to apply a lot of glitter by using the brush, and that's not gonna work, and then it's just gonna be messy and sloppy, and it's gonna take forever to dry. So when you do it this way, the sponge will soak up the excess polish, and then the glitter will come off on your nail. So what I like to do is I just apply it to the area that I want to, like half of the nail pretty much, and then I apply some more and then go back in on the very tip of the nail to make it more opaque, because I want it to be like a gradient effect. I want it to fade in. So I'm going to leave that to dry a little bit, then I'm going to go over it with a quick dry top coat. If you just go over the nail with the quick dry top coat, it's going to pick up the color that you put on your nail. So wait for the nail to dry a little bit, then you go over with the quick dry top coat, and don't forget to wrap the tip. This will prevent the nail polish from peeling back. So to do this with tissue, you have to just fold it into a good size. It doesn't have to be too small. It's just what you're most comfortable with. So you're gonna do the same thing. Apply the nail polish onto the tissue. This tissue was very hard for the nail polish to dissolve. It wasn't soaking up the nail polish, so I didn't like to use this tissue. But yeah, just go over the nail like before. apply some more nail polish, then go over it on the very tip to make it more opaque. Apply your quick dry top coat and you're done. So as you can see, they both look the same. You don't have to go out and get all these damn expensive things. In most cases, it does make sense that you buy the more expensive things because the quality is better. But yeah, just for now, if you don't have the money to buy it, there's always a cheaper route, okay? Everyone has to start from somewhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.